Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Nami in Wild Rift. Nami is a fantastic enchanter support, bringing both healing and strong crowd control to your team. Your main goal is to empower your allies and disrupt enemies. In the early game, use your ebb and flow to poke opponents and heal your lane partner. Remember to position safely behind your attack damage carry, ready to assist them at all times. Mastering her abilities will significantly impact team fights. Nami's kit offers incredible utility. Her Aqua Prison, or Q, is a skill shot that traps enemies in a bubble, stunning them for 1.5 seconds. Ebb and Flow, your W, bounces up to 3 times, healing allies or damaging foes. Tidecaller's Blessing, your E, empowers an ally's next 3 attacks with bonus magic damage and a slow. For a basic combo, cast E on your attack damage carry, then follow up with a well-aimed Q. Building the right items and runes is crucial for Nami. Always begin with a support item to generate gold passively and place vision wards. Your first major item should often be Ardent Sensor, which grants bonus attack speed and magic damage to allies you heal or shield. Harmonic Echo is another strong choice, offering a burst heal to nearby allies after you cast 3 abilities. For runes, Airy is a top pick, providing a shield or extra damage with your spells. Effective positioning is key to Nami's success. Always stay in the backline, behind your primary damage dealers, ready to heal and peel for them. Your ultimate, Tidal Wave, is incredibly versatile. Use it to initiate a team fight from a distance, or to disengage when your team is in trouble. Aim to land your Aqua Prison on multiple enemies to maximize its crowd control. Remember, keeping your carries alive is often more important than dealing damage yourself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.